for when you be mali more elegant kwame amega ade cheni ade sibia na ensem na asi e o Ghana and am so Kent my yam adwen say ai oba Xposed echa ensem so atwi kobre man me be brew ababa wa bi ena ye me say oni ni brema bi e wo ho empena twiem enye se ya wale no otumu say wa todom obi be say love no catch you before odo de watom odo ni mu ayete odo mu tentan odo emu ode ebusiafo video ni na ne say gay ye gay tumu say oko fie akosra ne boy na okosra boy no okoto so oba bi esahye edan na enya se eye baako eye mienu eye 3 times oba bia obeto oba particularly no awo demo onu so afole ma bra yi ena bra yi susu ene na etwempena itu ontumi da bra no oponse obeto sanuma ni na nde de gay koto so a bra na nya ho otomo se wo kra o tetimi dodo ohwe wo no ni nya akasakasa ena osache gene no osa bo no kan ena gay di sum akotena abontin ebusuafo wo de ma yenhwe video no
wa ati saying hello
ma so ro si mi de to na chi oba no se de mama be to na 3 times o se de shi Baba be se de mo wana na
I don't talk about the
what
said them was here and our boy baba we say baba show I say by say one grand chairman baba said them and our boy sir it's oba na boy na say it's there on our boy because of us I was about 3 times. Oh, I said them. What I say? You can't meet the shoddy for the rooms at 3 times. You say no, they did time. Now you say no, they did time. So this guy to react way beat out. Have you back? Yeah. That's the issue. You beat out. Because you can't meet too much. It's all been up planning.
Chama, they call police no more about you. Yeah, you so wrong. I will call police no more about you.
It's over to a bar, nothing to Panitompo. What's up?
Why we and see, I who say Ebisa, catch yourself. That be Ebisa, catch on only name how most of them.
I'm sorry, who have men or Bubo and also 2 sons of opera, but one kind of no. Other say, young country,
yeah, I mean, I'm not living here. He has to be arrested. Madam Obani Gusu show. We feel Johnny. Pastor no baby shawampa. Hey, we pee. Until Obani pee. Into selling no chanto. Kafra, sorry. Clinic be around now. Unyani na no be chairman clinic ni here sisia nti ko first can fa nko. Kreska nti wabun.
Also Kreska.
Utumu say gay die odo won mu ni na wa fole na obi bese odo nchiwa e na wo kasa bebre na ya post video no so no e mankofo bi share mo comment oso betuma kire wa adwen enkofo mu kire mo adwen e wo issue yi so na the obi kind ne say Nana Joa fine say after crying she is going back to him. That's why he doesn't respect her. That's ladies for you. Won say ye nia ba Nana Joa so kire say ampa adem de wunya koshia be ma na wo fole say na obetumi atonstu ne nsade akeka onima nyamanya mo bi be say betaba na kakra bi otabataba okra na osu ni na no ni akokro no e na waye oye bema ne ye no e na ye okoba itiama bema na hu say o oye ne kra obeden obesa e de ayeden aba na Linda Odro say nonsense. How can you cry for a man who is not married to you, just a dating? And Natalie I say well, but the man should thank his honorable stars he didn't do that to any woman in my cycle. Like by now, he's sleeping in that sardine thing they call a prison cell. If you don't like peace, I will serve you conflicts. Nonsense. Video Hapsiteria say, man, she never see anything. Man, she never see something. She will still go back. What a pity love. And Abema is Edmond so say, some of we men cry, what do we want? Can't we stick to one woman? Not just say asama okay na. Oh say issues be basse na and issue be trendy say na about on my anymore. Na ana concerning lava. Na ye nim de ye ka. You see, obi beka si girl na chimi, girl na bodam. You see, when you fall in love, and be maybe anu ode, and be maybe sabi omo twedi mu, omo kotie mu ode. Be maybe be diwa obe falling. Be maybe jina oso a. Oni asked him, remember when this come be na so na de omo de ye do. Gay enya de pa. Enya kran be man na de bi kakra, wo hwe ne ni so ne ho. And she is in love with it. But remember gamanti. And a bema be for bar upon so bana falling your money now. One friend so back for bar for. And say cry man cry ya to say bema the offer to be forward. But you see, get no way no. You be better say oh besa go back. Yes, we're falling with him. We're falling in love. It does not take just a day for somebody to leave someone. It does not take a day. So be best so know a jai will be and yet easy. Mami can show you're all kinds of women. Your baby or one falling, it be all relationship, no. Or no sour ban was said that. Or no, well, was share some kind of lifestyle. Want to mistake it to a bema bako. It way and washer and member is so soon. We are there no so would you take a copy of quiet Johnny Dada. Some ban or all no matter catch us. I made them in that time, man bow. Anyone baby or why when they are dating, they don't know how to go and take another man. A nature, a swear all. The more at money the forest of money bema a dating. Now bema ye be kakra man ni so. Now fed your man or ye be alright no. Or the reason why back for bema for. But you see, bema stupidity so why yes see and say. As a man and a bema dear. Or buy bar 1, or bar 2, or bar 3. What you say? Or bar first, and so crocrom. Say get away your maid girl. And what's so banana in Yantokwa? Even when she comes to meet you with another woman, or boasumukura, woman boasuma, pequine panicho. Because Osha Gena, Nibu Funi, or Bana Baono, a brona watun in Sabuno. Because the Obana Phyllis and Kawabano, Ubemana Phyllis as a woman. And Kahona will catch a girl back on as a child woman about Soleneco. You understand? Soleneco, Emma woman who Phyllis, oh, me man or penny. It's my coaching a quadie, or respecting no man again, coy. But so Brandy Beba. Now what's up Bonato so? No one disrespecting him and Bem or Ban any man. Now Banos who problem. I was so giants are Bema way. Because Bema would Titi was so all my own who say, why you're bonino, or your Bema or dog. Because Bema be a serious girl or penny piano. He end up protecting that woman. So I bet you know, say one chino or man in the respect because Bema the oil anything or Befawich. So argument in there we don't base on it. Oko china ubube fu ni dia dia but was say Bema ni pekwan bi fakwan bi so ye den e pa oton even so oton in sacred the bowa e was so man hu say e bia bufu na aba na wato nsa then you try and beg but say we ye Bema na won say oh me area bet me girl abeto me so me area abeto me so me ni oba nso me masa no then that means the person you are dating you Bema is said the oye engineer wo because my woman and feel so no a guy woman chale my woman come leave the room pie ko enu so ye den e wo ho but say when tumi anya sa na say oba ne wo no na wo be ba beto ne oba ma fofo o mpacho wonya o hwe video na hwe ye bisa no fa ne ko hospital ka o si miniska uniska na wo to nsa bo oba no we po nya say wo no abehye ogufuo e ye difference dem wo fie na ne nya issue ana wa cassette ya o e na wo ko to nsa na nkofo abeto so na bia wo di ogufuo abu no wa bechi o say wo chiti pe ko bi be ma wo na obefa hotel e kra pie na wa fere kakra na wa pie wa bo be kasa kasa wo wi obesaba and look at what did you do who say yere o hu beto so wa sabun ye bisa say so dey fa ne hospital wa ko fa ngalti ballet and now little ni you see sometimes akomane ba embe bi wo ho mo ba ba bejijo they will tempt you or mema wa tonsa even though person we are gentleman or whatever but you should know how to at the end of the day be maneuver your things because you see what they better na about you wa punu no say anything I say wa fa ba man e dey wa fa ne fu what I say nti ebusuafo enye se obi o to odom na jeze ya na ya bono obesa kopa to bi o do jaye ye o do hun timu tintan o enu de otumi jai mu o to wa timu tintan ye nsole keke o obi o break up o se me break up no 6 months later me share be ma fofo oboa wo be ma na wo nipa na okoshia sa oba na wo be ma okoshia sa oba no ah we jai relationship just past 6 months I mean can't you people are going to fight over your exes. It is true a normal thing at all. So a woman or your bema or dating now would die or relationship within 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. A child said by 1 year and son of bema if your baby or baby now the woman to travel no. Because the work of serious relationship now would die. It will take time for you to heal. And yes, a mom will relationship full from now. You are going to fight over your exes. Because nipa na obeba ni be show suban bi a won probo se na ex na o oni on yipiti sa character na we no so di aba no to bo say o wan akofre ex ya de da ho it is a free relationship but make sure you live it maturely say obetumi they say no for some month and 1 month or 2 months wait to me live ya won dream sa nipa no mun di in contact mun yehwe until you enter into another relationship or to de ne ho sem ka no tempa. It takes the brain and the deep understanding. They won't say, baby, no baby, no issue. Now, I Solia test comment. I say, oh, maybe I may more by himself. Oh, told the papa me what told them one. But the heading, they say love is blind, life is blind. So then, I was for aha, and I'm a Timo Bessie. When you have my limo, and it can call me. My crowd, that's ending. You be bye bye.